Welcome guys, if you're new to my channel, I am Claudette with MsPuff Creative Corner. Today we'll be creating a sunburst. So first off, you're going to need some rectangle pieces of cardstock. You're going to cut those from corner to corner. I would suggest that you have them at least 5.5 inches in length. The ones that I'm using is 1 inch by 5.5 inches. Once you have all your arrays cut out, you're going to go ahead and place them on top of your card layer. So I went ahead and put my first two rays on the outer edges and just fill in the remainder in the center. The white card layer that I'm using is measuring 3 3/4 by 5.5 inches. If you're interested in seeing other videos like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. This is so fun to create. You don't use any dies, you don't need any stamps to create your rays, and plus you could use all your leftover scrap pieces of paper. So if you could see here, the reason why I was saying keep it 5.5 inches in length, because you want it to be lapped over your white cardstock. So once you flip that over, you're going to cut off the excess pieces and you're going to have that clean look. So where the end points are joined, I took a scallop circle and layered over it. So I hope you guys got creative value from this video today. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button down below so other people like yourself could view my video. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette and I'll catch you guys on the next video.